Hi, welcome to Tricky Arts. Today, I am going to teach you one of the important topics which often confuse the speaker in both written and spoken English. So after watching this video, you will be able to use because and because of according to the rules and regulation of grammar. Because and because of both are used to introduce reasons. Because is a conjunction which connects two sentences. For example, Ahmad did not go to school because he was feeling sick. So the first sentence is Ahmad did not go to school, where the second sentence is he was feeling sick. Second reason, it is followed by a subject and verb. For example, I am learning English because I cannot speak well. So I is a subject and speak is a verb. So whenever you want to use because, there must be subject and verb after because. Where because of is a two-word preposition which cannot connect two sentences. For example, Ahmad did not go to school because of his sickness. So here is no subject, here is no verb after because of. It is generally followed by a noun or noun phrase. For example, I was late because of the rain. So here rain is the noun. Keep in mind, whenever you want to use because, so there must be subject and verb. Whenever you want to use because of, there must be noun or noun phrase. You shouldn't put there subject or verb. Thank you for watching.